Next question. If mod of z minus 4 is less than mod of z minus 2, its solution is given by real part of z greater than 0, real part of z less than 0, real part of z greater than 3, and real part of z greater than 2. Now remember, we have solved problems on inequalities, but here x was a real number. Okay, but when we solve the inequality problems in the context of complex numbers, we have to be obviously more careful. So we start by writing down the given inequality. Then you should replace z by x plus iy, where x is the real part of z and y is the imaginary part of z. So here when they say z minus 4, if this number is a real number, immediately write it with x. So now the real part of z minus 4 is x minus 4, imaginary part is y. Do the same thing here. So z minus 2 will be x minus 2 plus I y. Now because modulus is always non-negative, and except for the complex number 0, it is positive. So we can square it without having to worry about the sign of the inequality. Okay, so x minus 4 squared plus y squared less than x minus 2 squared plus y squared. In this step, I have expanded x minus 4 raised to 2 using a minus b bracket squared, and I have done the same thing for x minus 2 raised to 2. We can now cancel x squared, we can cancel y squared. So we will get minus 8x plus 16 on the left hand side, minus 4x plus 4 on the right hand side. Shift minus 8x to the other side, it will become plus 8x. So 8x minus 4x is 4x. Shift 4 to the left hand side, so it will acquire a negative sign. 16 minus 4 is 12. So if 12 is less than 4x, dividing both sides by 4, we will get 3 less than x. Okay, or x greater than 3. But what is x? X is the real part of z. So real part of z must be greater than 3 in order to satisfy this particular inequality. That is option C. Yes. So a very simple problem.